Hello guys, and welcome back to another plant video. So for those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos. I like to make all kinds of videos such as plants or bugs. I raise a lot of bugs and I have many plants to share with you, so please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more updates. So anyways, back to the video. This is one of my absolute favorite Amaryllis plants. This is known as the Dancing Queen. There was another one there, but as you can see, it wilted and did not make it, unfortunately. But the leaves are really nice, good growth. This one got a little damaged as well as this one, but seems to be doing well. Has 4 flowers on it, but only 2 have bloomed so far, but very beautiful flowers. I just love how it looks. It's like a peppermint, looks like a peppermint dress almost. She's very lovely. Look at that. Look at the coloration. Amazing. And then behind it we have some more Amaryllis. As you can see, I'm starting to make some seed pods over there. I did pollinate a couple of them, so we'll see how that does. I'll make an update on that. Let's see. So stunning. Look at that coloration. Really does look like a peppermint. See the pollen there? I would like to pollinate this one maybe with with one of these. I don't know how to pollinate these. There's no, I don't know, I'm not finding any place to put the pollen. It doesn't have any stigma or anything like that, so I'm trying to figure out where to put it. I don't think it does. It produced a little bit of pollen, and I did pollinate one of the other Amaryllis with it, but I'm not sure if I did it correctly or not. But this one, you can definitely see pollen. We know that for sure. On this one, it looks like I can pollinate it. I'm not too sure though. I've never had success with these. So I'll give it a shot this year. See what happens. Very beautiful plant. So I will make another update on this probably when the other blooms start to open. But just wanted to show you this amazing and beautiful plant. And I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I do. So thank you very much guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, leave any comments down below that you may have, and I'll get back to you. Thank you guys so much. Have an amazing day.